What's up, guys? Today me and Obi are gonna do a video, and the video is going to call "How Well Do My Husband Knows Me?" Okay, so in this video I have, let me see, how much question do I have? 19 questions. 19 questions.
How do you think?
To see how much my husband knows me. And he have no idea the question that I wrote. He have no idea what's the question I am going to ask him. So let's dive into it. So the first question is...
Are you write the question now?
Yes. Name one of my favorite food.
Strawberry.
Not fruit.
Pork.
Okay. He do get that. He did get that. All right. Number 2. Man, I said.
What you know?
What food I don't like?
You don't know no food you don't like. You love every fruit.
Me never write an answer for that one, to be honest here, because I never ever think, me just that write them down. Me never write an answer for that one. Number 3. Name one of my favorite TV show.
I don't know it name, but I know it. The one where them set up, hook up the people them on date and find them soulmate and them something like.
The Bachelor. The Bachelor and the Bachelorette. That's one of my favorite TV. That's my favorite TV show.
I don't know the name, man, because when I turn on the TV, I'm going to know my business. Pick for myself.
Okay. Number 4. Sweet or salty?
None of them. Let me go. Not too sweet and not too sour.
Yeah, that's true. Not too sweet and
So
not
what
too
answer you
salt.
for that?
Yes. Me neither like too much sweet and me not like salt like that.
So what you answer? You're right now. You're right
Me
answer
have
for that?
sweet. Me prefer a little sweet than salt. But it's like, to be honest, you know me more, because if me I drink my tea, me will not me even drink my tea without sugar or honey. Salt, me no salt food. So that is another thing. Me not really like too much of sweet, and me not like too much salt. But me not prefer sweet over salt. Number 5. Name something that makes me happy.
Money.
You want to try again?
When you have sex and come.
Oh my gosh! Siobhan is going to edit this video. No!
You know, if you edit your own video.
But even so. Oh my god. Alright.
If you're not coming, I'm happy.
Alright, number. That's not it either. Oh my god, number 6. Do I want to travel next? My eyesight is not so good. So may I struggle for see this. Should I carry my glasses? Where do I want to travel next?
You want to go Mexico next? You want to go Mexico next? England? There, them 2 places me here talk about.
Okay, so
Mexico and England.
no, me say me actually did would have me go Mexico, but that's not where I want to go next. it's England or Bahamas.
The way you talk about Bahamas, yeah.
Oh yes, Bahamas.
I never hear you talk about it.
You know what I mean? I said Bahamas from a book or from a book, England or Bahamas. Go next. Okay, so number 7. What did we do on our first date? Let me see if you remember that.
What we do? Or where we go?
Yeah.
What we do? We sit down and talk.
What did we do? Where did we go?
We go here, shower, and sit down and talk.
Okay.
I'm the one getting in the water. We forget in the water. Smart.
Oh my God.
You don't come in the water.
Alright. You hear that, guys? That's funny. Because I remember it like yesterday. The first date. We got Elsha.
We sit down and reason.
Yeah, we reasoned for the whole time.
And the part of the reason is so we could try to get in the water.
And he was trying to get me in the water for some reason. I never even think, no, you look a smutty mind. I come out now, you know. Because me never depend that. Alright. So number 8 is, what is my sign?
You know his sign name, I don't know my sign, you know.
Yeah.
I
don't know the sign name like that. But I'm a Leo. Okay, so you don't really know that. Because I don't really know them like that either. I don't study them.
My sign.
Yeah. What's my favorite color?
White. Maybe I have more than one. But white, one of them.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you just said that. We talk about this so many times. Like, what is your favorite color? Is my favorite color.
You know my favorite color?
Yes.
What?
The same color that is your favorite color is my favorite color.
So
it's just no, but we've been talking about that for a long time.
You have more than one favorite color?
No, me change, but over the years, it's just one color I always love. And you name it start with B?
Brown.
Yeah, so that's your favorite color when me know you. That was my favorite color when me know you, because we talk about this. But now me start to love red more, and it kind of skip over brown. So it's because my complexions, red tend to bring me up more. Alright, so where are we at now? Number 11.
Wow, so I move fast.
Yes.
It shows 11.
Yes, number 11. Name one of my favorite brand.
Brand number.
In clothes.
One
of my favorite brand.
I'll include shoes though.
Yes, whether clothes or shoes.
Michael Kors.
Okay, because that's what I have. Michael Kors is one of my favorite brand. Okay, so number 13.
Well, guys, remember.
Number 12.
Your favorite brand that's in mine.
Okay, that's not.
I wear Michael Kors.
All right. So number 12. That was number 11, right? So number 12. How many siblings do I have?
How many siblings you have?
Yes.
What do you know about?
Yes.
You have 2, that's 3, that's 5 siblings.
Okay. So I have 6 siblings.
Yeah, 6.
But I think if I got my little last sister by dad's side, you know, mommy have 6. Okay, guys, so you know that my mom have 6 kids. So and my dad have 1 that is, you know, different. So that's why I think he said 5. Okay, number 13. What do I love to do as a wife?
Love to have sex.
No, if me never know, say I tell you I go say.
Alright. You love more than one things.
Me just need one right now.
You love to cook.
Okay, me love to cook. That is what I have, guys.
Cook.
It's right here. Take a look.
Cook.
Cook. That's my answer.
Cook.
Okay. All right. Number 14. What is my mom name?
Adassa.
You know, I was like,
Adassa Cameron.
oh my gosh, I was like, I bet you say Max don't remember this. What's my mom name? Cause my mom real name does not mention a lot. It's just cause she have a pet name, so that's the name.
What pet name?
Blas. And
Blossom.
yeah. Everybody know her as Blas or Blossom. So
The flowers.
our real name
The tree.
our real name don't really call up a lot. So I was like, he's not going to get this one. I bet you say him don't get this one. So that's what I was thinking. Okay, guys. All right. So I keep mixing up the numbers. Is what is my dad name? This one he's not going to get. Because my dad, everybody call him Juice or Winston, and that is not his name. So for sure, I know my husband don't know my dad's real name because him always call him Winston. So I figure him won't know him name.
The father name is Daddy.
Daddy.
Some year you call him.
All the time.
Daddy.
And him call my father Daddy. But everybody know him as Winston, but his real name is Errol. Okay.
I hear it before, I just never remember.
Right, okay. Alright, guys. Growing up, who was one of my favorite reggae artists? He got this one, guys.
Reggae.
Yes.
One of your favorite.
Yes.
Beenie Man.
No, you know, I mean, Beenie Man was one of. Yeah, he was one of.
Yeah, what will he? So,
yeah, Beenie Man was one of, for real.
yeah, right.
But it's Bunty. Bunty was a little bit over Beanie growing up.
Me never know that.
We always talk about that, babes. You forget things.
Me a Bunty fan.
Me is a Bunty fan. Oh my goodness. We always used to debate on that, like Beanie, but we always used to love Bunty tune and them things, you know. I mean, I love Beanie Man too, but Bunty was really my favorite. And I love Movado too.
So he's an alliance. You're an alliance.
Me love them all, to be honest. But me just did have a little thing more for Bunty. Alright, so R&B, Otanio and Chris Brown growing up, which one of them you think me did love? True our music you think me did love the more? Neo. Alright. One more.
Chris Brown a baby to this.
Yeah, really love Neo more.
Neo United long before Chris Brown.
Alright, so number 17.
Soon done. Thank God.
Yeah. Number 17. Celine Dion music or Mariah Carey?
Celine Dion. Right now your era.
Yeah. To me, maybe is like a 50-50. Me love the two of them music. Me never write down the answer because even me myself, me used to love both of them.
With Mariah Carey.
Yeah.
You hear a Mariah Carey song play and you don't sing it out as much as how you sing
Celine Dion.
Celine Dion song.
Yeah, I guess me love Mariah Carey more in person, but me love Celine Dion song more. Personality difference. Me love it two of them. Love it two of them, to be honest. Okay, the last one, which is number, I guess 19, because the number them keep mixing up. I just forget the numbers because I can barely see this. But name 5 things that you love about your wife. 5 things.
Mm, 5 things.
Yes. Name them all, baby.
Number 1. I'm gonna start from like when from in the beginning, like what get me a touch or connected or get me attention or get me attention to you. Your personality first, number 1, because in time I don't know him, I just see you and just like talk to you. So your personality are the first impression. Then after you done talk to me and walk off, me look for your body. So yeah, like her body too. And number 2. Number 3, loving, you know, and personality, yeah, loving and understanding, and you know, we did have a kind of communication where when we are reason, it's like the reasoning at to another level.
We did.
Yeah. And then after the reasoning, then you know up next, you know, because liking and loving start coming in, you know, so you know next the cookie run. So after the cookie now, yeah, we love the cookie. So cookie are number 4. And number 5 now, after the cookie run now, you know, say you start spend time together and stove start light. So, you know, you start clean plate. You know what that mean? Food, cooking.
Number 5, that's number 5. But me still actually want one more because him left out one when him always say. So me I go ask you number 6.
Hard working.
Okay, that wasn't the one over there.
Hard working and determination.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you can get all it more still, but me I stop right so. Because you did ask for 5 and you get somewhere you never expect to hear.
Yeah, me did think that I said mom. Mother. That's what you did tell me at the beginning.
Yeah, but if you don't want more than one, they'll come up.
Okay guys, so we did that video and that's like over 30 things my husband questioned my husband. Just testing my husband how much he knows me, how much my husband know me. But he basically get all of them and him did not know these questions that I write down. He never know. He have no clue. So you see how much I can get out of him? I guess he might forgot test me now and see how much me know. Alright guys.
I just church that. I know we'll eat more.
Yeah.
And next time you come with a bigger list. I don't know when that yet still.
Guys, you know from when me ask him to do this video, he don't like to do videos. And tell me if you like my haircut, cause he do. he like my haircut. I've been telling him that I look like boy, but him like it. So tell me what you think. If you think my haircut look alright, I'm look like boy. You know, it take a cutie if you actually wear a low haircut as a woman, right? I feel look beautiful for wear a low haircut. What you say, babe?
Wow.
I feel look cute for wear a low haircut.
I mean, it's just, I mean, it fits you, yes, but I wouldn't put it like that. You know, it take to do that.
Yeah.
Self-confident.
Yeah.
Confident in yourself. You know, have no doubt to say.
Me do have doubt, babes.
You have doubt, but you're still confident for God away there. And you go like that. When you go like that on the road.
Yeah. Remember some used to wear it like when me just come up here. Remember that ear? Like the brown?
not talk this. Me talk now. No.
You talk now?
Yeah, if you will go to the road.
Yeah, like me just take time to build up my confidence now. Because you tell me say you like it. So
if you're confident,
me kinda just feel like boy, me feel naked. With it like this. Me try always me looking at the glass so much ways just to see if I can wear it like this. But
you like fast here, so anything once it natural, good.
so I've been a like Faz here. From me just know him how much years now. Him say him not like Faz here. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Share it if you care. Guys. Listen, babe. Bye, guys. Mwah. This work? Thank you, babe, for doing this video with me. You deserve a big kiss.
Kiss me for it.